Hey guys, it's me, Kawaii Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Thanksgiving weekend, and I changed my subtitles, so I hope you guys enjoy that. And without further ado, let's get started. This vlog starts on a Friday, obviously, as weekends usually start on a Friday night, and I'm not going to be talking during this entire video. It's just going to be in the beginning and the end. So, hope you guys will enjoy that kind of content where I'm just putting subtitles and stuff. So I'm gonna stop talking now and let you guys enjoy the video. Hey, I'm back and I'm going to be removing the poster from the poster board. So I'm going to remove these clips, which were super difficult, but putting them back on after replacing the poster was super easy, so I don't know why they did that. By the way, while taking off these clips, I accidentally broke the plastic that I'm removing right now. So to remove this poster, I'm just going to rip off the part where it's connected with glue that my dad had put there so many years ago. I don't remember. So now we can replace it with some watercolor paintings as well as some birthday drawings. These paintings, some of them will have a tutorial in the future, so stay tuned for that. To attach these paintings, I'm going to take some Scotch tape, totally not sponsored, but it's just tape that I have. So I'm going to be placing it on two opposite corners of the painting, and for the birthday drawings, I'm going to be using washi tape so I don't damage it and ruin all the hard work that was put into it. So I'm going to arrange these on the poster board, and I don't really have any method. I'm just placing them as I go, changing them around if I don't like it, and that's pretty much what I've been doing in this entire clip. So I'm going to put the plastic back on here, and I'm going to attach the clips. I didn't realize that it was off camera, and as you can see here, this is where I broke the plastic. Oops. And I'm going to place this back on the wall. And that is it for this video. So I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog. Please be sure to give me a like, and if you have made it this far in the video, comment turkeys. I don't really know. So if you haven't already, do subscribe, hit push notifications so you are notified whenever I post, and I hope to see you guys in my Friday video. So that is it. Don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye guys.